Okay, wordsmiths, this word is coming into view, but I just need to make it a little clearer. Computer? Enhance. Yeah, enhance again, please. Great, thanks, computer. The word we're looking at today is enhance. It's a verb. It means to improve, to make better, or more advanced. And the etymology, the word origin here is a little weird. It comes from the Old French enhaussier, which means to raise up, to make higher. If you speak French, you might recognize something that sounds like modern French haut, which means high or up. It has an H that isn't pronounced in modern French, but we say it in its English form, enhance, right? O ultimately comes from the Latin altus, which also means high or tall. And we can do an etymology corner for altus sometime, but this haussier thing is so weird and reflected in so few English words that I'm just going to say the handful of English words that I could find that are related to this particular word origin. There's a hawser, which is a kind of rope that you might find on a ship used for lifting things up. There's haughty, which is a word that means snooty or arrogant, like you're holding your head up high, like stuff's too good for you because you're the fancy pants. A fancy trousers. And the only other English word I can think of, which is really just a straight loan from French, is hauteur, or hauteur, which is similar to haughtiness. It's a kind of icy, arrogant calm. Anyway, to enhance something is to improve it or make it better. And I'd like to enhance your understanding of this word by using it in a few sentences. Let's go. Porter didn't feel like the bubbles did much to enhance the soup, but he slurped away politely. Someone had the idea that carbonating a soup would enhance it, would make it better. Priyanka enhanced her bicycle's visibility by twisting glow sticks around its spokes. Here's the bike. See, she's made it better, easier to see at night, it's more visible, she's enhanced it. She made an enhancement. I hope you feel like that did the trick, wordsmiths. May your bikes be visible and your soups unbubbled. Or bubbled. Whatever, maybe it's great. I'm open to it. You can learn anything. David out.